We are going to study about part 2, chapter number 5, climate. Now, global warming. Increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere may lead to a general rise in temperature of the atmosphere, which is called global warming. Okay. Temperatures around the world have risen slightly since the late 1870s. The 7 warmest years of the 20th centuries have occurred since the early 1980s. Okay. Global warming kan tih chu atmosphere a carbon dioxide akha atmosphere a carbon dioxide akha atam tel tel chuan atmosphere a khanin temperature san na kha thlen thina chu global warming kan tih chu ni. Now factors responsible for global warming. Number 1, burning of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels by industries and automobiles have increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by more than 20% over the past 100 years. Ke fossil fuels kang awang khanin global warming atleng china antinan industry kan coal chem china wangte coal mana wangte motora me khu chhuak wangte khan atmosphere carbon dioxide level kha sang thina chu chuanin global warming temperature san a kha thlen thina ni. Now number 2, destruction of forests. Due to rapid industrialization in recent years, forests have been cut mercilessly. Okay. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. Due to deforestation, the content of carbon dioxide has increased in the atmosphere. Okay. Ramgo kan ti chereo wangin global warming hlen thina ramgo athing le mau omte leina na tel mi alawa kan ke china wang khanin kholum na kha thleng thina ni thing na te hianin carbon dioxide an hi blue ta mishing na kan mamo oxygen pe chhuaka atmospheric level a carbon dioxide tam lu tuk tu rakha trees how khanin an lo enge hi blue thina ni ramgo kan ti chereu chuan carbon dioxide kha atmosphere atam thina kholumna temperature sana akha thlen thina ni. Now number 3, increase in the amount of methane. Methane is produced by decomposing plant and animal matter, which is responsible for raising the temperature. Methane atam khan temperature asang thin bokani. Methane pe chhuak tu chu decomposing plant kan tiang chi tele animal matter kan ti atang te khanin methane akha pek chhuani china atmosphere khan chu chuan temperature san a thlen bok thine. Now number 4, increase in the fluorocarbons. They are used in refrigeration and in the aerosol sprays. Okay. Fluorocarbons. Punzel na awang khanin temperature sana khatheng china fluorocarbons mang tu de chu pechuak tu de chu refrigerator kan ti te aerosol spray kan tiang chi te khang hau khanin fluorocarbons CFC kan tiang chi kha an pechuak thene. Now impact of global warming. Number 1, melting of polar ice cap. Within the next several decades, the polar ice caps will melt because of increasing global temperatures. The sea level would rise, causing heavy flooding of coastal areas. Khwa alumzel chuanin vur kan tiang chi te kha lo tui china chu chuanin coastal area abik takin tuilian a thlen thina ni kholumzel na awang khanin vur khal kan ti te kha an lo tui china chu chuanin coastal area a khanin tuilian da satakka a thlen tir thina ni. Now number 2, change in the precipitation pattern. There will be change in the precipitation pattern. More precipitation would fall in some places and far less in others. Ke ruwa tui tlak dan kha tlak dang lam thin ni mun then khata pe chuan ruwa tui atlator tlor lai khanin mun then khata khan ruwa tui kha atlamang lo thin global warming wang khanin. Number 3, expansion of desert. Desert may expand into existing rangelands and regions. The areas where crops now grow could become deserts. Ke deserts thaler munaka alo zo pathini global warming awang khanin ramgo te kan ti cherewa global warming a thlenga chu chuanin ramgo kha asiam theni. Number 4, alteration of many ecosystem. Change global temperature would alter many ecosystem. Ecosystem kan ti ang chia kha at global warming khan temperature in thlak dang lam khanin ati boy thei bokani. Change in regional climate pattern. Changing regional climate could alter forests, crop yields, and water supplies. It could also affect human health and animals. Ke rampung khat sikle sa omdana kha global warming hian thak dang lam na sem ema ramgo te ti boyin thai thar te le tui water supply kan tiang chi te kha ti boya tin chumi ba ka chuanin mishing risel na lampanga ngonga neya e ran sa ate po khanin ngonga nei thei bokani. Number 6, depletion of ozone layer. The ozone layer protects the earth by absorbing much of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations. But chlorofluorocarbons are depleting this layer. Depletion of ozone may weaken people's immune system and increase the chances of skin cancer and eye disease. Ke ozone layer kha ni ati chethina global warming khanin kha ozone layers chian na awang khanin mishinga immune system kan tiang chi te kha chaklo pha tin skin cancer te a thlenin mit chaklo na te kha a thlen thei bokani. Now preventive steps to avoid global warming. Number 1, to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere by burning of less fossil fuels and switching over to non-conventional sources of energy. Okay. Atmosphere greenhouse gases pechhuak thei tu tur kha kan ti tle mangaya tin fossil fuel aya khanin non-conventional sources of energy and tirnan wind energy kan tiang chi te solar energy biogas kan tiang chi te kha man kha kan war thin tur ani. Global warming thlen thei tu fossil fuel sang kan man aya khan non-conventional sources of energy chi sang te kha I man kha kan war thin tur ani. Number 2, developing substitute for chlorofluorocarbons. In 1990, most industrialized countries agreed to stop production of CFCs by the year 2000 to protect ozone layer. Ozone layer ti chetu CFC kan tiang chi kha ti claim amo man khap internal refrigerator ate om kan ti to kha kan mang kan ti to kha khang mang tu ho kha ti to pang chi te khatianga kha aya CFC aya thil dang man tangkaya kha kan ti tur ni bokani. Now number 3, to reduce deforestation and promote afforestation. Ramgo ti chere kha ramgo chereu tu raka khanin kan hum him tur ni a thingphun te khatianga kha kan war deuh tur ni khovela temperature sang tur ven atang khan ramgo hum hal kha apoi mo le ti kha kan sha tangai ni. That's all for today.